Costanzo. Cheryshev in the red. Zakov is in the blue. Zakov coming out last week in the Asian Championships. He lost his opening encounter there to Tsumi Sato. Cheryshev, meanwhile, is a year younger. He's still a teenager, but he's become the cadet age.
Сюрприз! Эки эсе көп интернет. Переходи на О тарифтеринде. Сенде дагы көбүрөөк мүмкүнчүлүктөр бар. Көбүрөөк баарлашуу. Көбүрөөк көрүү. Көбүрөөк ырахаттануу. Жазды О мобилдик оператор менен тосуп ал.
So he's really making a name for himself. Difference that's the whole job. Go from the 2023 to the single for the first times.
Well, I think the difference between under 20 to seniors is huge. Under 23, luckily, because on the senior circuit, you've got a lot of guys who are 22, 23. It makes that step a little bit smaller, but still. Yeah, you rest the guys who are much more mature, who've been in the game a lot longer, the experience is there. It is a big, big difference for these wrestlers. And beautiful work, now he's got that top back good wrench, and if he keeps that momentum going, that will be it. Just that one stop, just that one stop.
Cheryshev making sure that Curtis wrestling fans will treat him with Bishkek. Could have gone on for several more turns, I think, against Abdurazakov.
We were just seeing the match from before, so I'd see guys just getting it back to this one.
It's the potential point of contention with top East Archers.
He's trying to say it was a slip throw, so his opponent had no control when he went for the roll. So it wasn't 2 points, which then eventually led to all these rolls coming. I mean, he doesn't have his hands locked, but it's just what the judge official thinks in his head as is what is control. Because this was started that rolling sequence here with that trap arm gut wrench, which really finished it off.
Worthy request from Turner Star, but no dice.